we can export account schedules to Excel, which allows us to control our data using the function and features that Microsoft Excel has to offer and create files that we can send to people that work with other applications and systems however they need to. To do this, we, on our account schedules page, select the account schedule that we'd like to export. In this case, we'll go for our newly created revenue. And we go to Process and Overview. From here, we can go to More Options, Actions, Excel, Export to Excel, and we can use Create New Document to open this up in a new document. And it's just a matter of opening up this new Excel book that's been created, and we can have a look at the data that we are given in this file. The data Business Central exports is the data and filter information for that account schedule, and the name of the worksheet is the account schedule name.